We're gonna wet sand and buff everything today, aren't we?
All of it. I just can't wait.
All right, so we are back at Foos's sweet garage today. Foos? We are doing the finishing touches on the car. We are wet sanding and buffing the whole car. So, what's that? I don't know. He wants to say something sassy.
No, we're not saying anything sassy. We got about 2 minutes of sanding in, and we got to get on our little GoPro thing. Keep the fat guy working though.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wet sand and buff the eyelids, the hardtop, that trunk, the fender, and the whole car. So far, Foos got the trunk wet sanded and buffed, and it looks pretty freaking good for some $400 paint. Look at that, you can see the reflection of the GoPro and of me not wet sanding, dang.
That's more like it.
So we're gonna get right back into wet sanding and get some awesome stuff done today. Let's do it, guys.
Footage, yeah!
Woo! What are you again this episode, Foos Jr.?
The best. The best!
Oh my goodness, okay. I guess he translated from one of the best to the best. Say something fancy.
I got fancy in me.
Something fancy for the king.
Come on, dog. Get on my face, dog.
How's the hand buffing going?
Amazing.
Everything did turn out pretty good though, huh? Look at that. Super shiny.
Yeah, we'll see once it's done in the car. I might have to be hand buffed on there more.
That's all right. We'll buff the world, huh?
Yes, sir.
Ooh, they're so shiny. Oh, hi. Are you hurting?
Yeah, my forearm hurts from holding that damn thing. TJ Hooker over here.
My first name is Sergeant.
I don't know who that is. Who is that? Explain to the people.
Nobody.
Oh, look at all that green tape back there.
It's the roll he bought. If you're
Yeah.
looking for an efficient paint job, come my way. Because I buy all my own stuff.
Never. All right, now that the car is all back together, wet sand buffed, everything like that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the soft top seal back in there and get the soft top all sealed up, because as you can see, it is all off right now. It's a little red, that's okay, because it's all hidden away. But I'm gonna get that all put back on there and try and record a little video in the car of it. Might be a little shaky, but let's find out. What?
We finally got him.
Hey, what did you say?
You're my friend.
Oh yes, there we go. Video evidence of Foos Jr. saying I'm his friend.
Jesus.
Yeah, that's right.
If you weren't my friend, this car wouldn't be here.
Yeah.
I don't just allow anybody's box rocking my world.
And the soft top seal is in. Hey there, Foos Jr. How's it going?
Super amazing fun.
What are you trying to do? Tell the people what you're trying to...
put this clip that you lost that I'm gonna make, and I'm found.
And you're doing it so well because why?
I'm the best.
There you go. You're the best. So we got the trunk on. Foos Jr. buffed it a little bit. Made it look a little shinier. We got the trim in here. Got that back soft top seal, which sucked back in there. Hopefully it doesn't leak, but we got a hard top, so what does it matter? Are we putting on the hard top next?
Yeah.
Sweet! IS1 party looking Miata, wouldn't you say, Foos Jr.?
Looks a lot better.
It's a lot better than the crappy red that was on it. I'm so ready to drive this thing. That white doesn't cost extra.
Jesus.
You say that was a job well done, Foos Jr.? Yeah! Woo! It's so beautiful in the not sunlight. So I think that's all we're going to do with it for tonight. I think that's darn near the end of this series. I might throw us up taking it to the storage unit, might not. But I think, what was that?
Done.
I thought you said something. I think that's all we're gonna do for this. Thanks for tuning in for Painting Adventures, and I hope you I hope you stay tuned to see more amazing things like putting the coilovers on, putting on the shock tower bar, the roll cage, and and everything else amazing that this car's gonna have. Till next time, people. Peace.